Let me show you how to do how to use an older calculator to do this matrix operation. So you've got this, perhaps you're going to try to type this in. This is one of the examples, right? And we're going to try to solve these set of matrices for C and D, right? Well, C and D is A inverted multiplied by B, right? So let me show you how to type this in. We're going to go second matrix and go to edit. So go second matrix, go over to the right, then hit enter, and there it is. And we want A to be a 2 by 2, so 2, enter, 2, enter. And now we're typing in this, so opposite of cos of 40. I always type that parenthesis in there, and then this is cos 20. This is sine 40. This is sine 20. And we're done with A. We've finished A. So I like to just quit. I know you don't have to, but there it is, right? And then second matrix, and let's edit B. So we're going to type in B here, right? So go over to edit, then hit, and then, go down to B, over to edit, down to B, then hit enter. And B needs to be a 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column, right? 0 is the first element, 122.625 is the second element. And then I like to quit. So second quit is what I just did there. And now we're going to do this operation. We're going to invert A and multiply it by B, right? So second matrix, and that's what names is for, right? So we'll just hit enter, A, and then invert A, and then multiply it by B. If I just put B next to it, so second names, second matrix, go down to B, hit enter, and then hit enter. And there's our answers, right? Okay. And then when you do this, of course, C is on the top, D is on the bottom, right? Let me just show you. Please feel free to stop watching this video at this point if that's all you want are those answers and you just want to write them down. But let's imagine you're a computer programmer and you want to get those values out of the matrix. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go storage, and then I'm going to go second matrix. Let's store this in C. Okay. So now we've got a matrix C that contains that. That's fun. So what I did was I did second storage, the same thing we do to store numbers. And then, of course, you have to store a matrix in a matrix, right? So I stored it in C. Now watch this. I'm going to go second matrix, C, hit enter, and it just burps it out, right? So that's not a big deal. So let's get that C there, and then let's put some addresses here. So 1, 1. There we go. There's that first element, right? Row 1, column 1. Let's try finding C. How about row 2, column 1? Oh, by the way, there's only 1 column, so 2, there it is, right? And you can get these numbers. You could store these, like 133. You could store that in alpha A. You could store that guy. Storage in alpha B. And now you've got a couple variables, right? So 2, alpha A. Well, it's 266. A is 133. Twice A is this. Right? Anyway, I'm totally geeking out here. I'm so sorry.